everyone, and welcome back to the next episode of the Journey of Apostolic Succession.
CCC 880. When Christ instituted the 12, he constituted them in the form of a college or permanent assembly, at the head of which he placed Peter, chosen from among them. Just as by the Lord's institution, St. Peter and the rest of the apostles constitute a single apostolic college, so in like fashion the Roman Pontiff, Peter's successor, and the bishops, the successors of the apostles, are related with and united to one another. So today we hear about our 178th Pope in the Apostolic Succession. Pope Gregory IX is the 178th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church, and he served in that role for 14 years. His papacy began on March 19, 1227, and his papacy ended on August 22, 1241, immediately following his death. Pope Celestine IV succeeded Pope Gregory IX as Pope. Contributions. During his tenure as Pope, Pope Gregory IX created a papal inquisition that established standards and rules that others had to follow in heresy cases. He would appoint men into positions based on how well they could follow those rules. Pope Gregory IX was also for the Northern Crusades because he believed the wars would bring more men to the Church. He had a number of problems with the Holy Roman Emperor Frederick II after the man announced plans to launch a new crusade. The fights between the two were intense and only ended when Pope Gregory IX passed away. In 1231, after student strikes at the University of Paris, Pope Gregory resolved differences between the students and local authorities. His bull on the subject is seen as the Magna Carta of universities. Pope Gregory IX was a supporter of mendicant orders in an attempt to counteract the love of luxury seen with many ecclesiastics. He canonized St. Elizabeth of Hungary, St. Dominic, St. Anthony of Padua, and St. Francis. Among the greatest achievements of Pope Gregory IX, he ordered the canonist Raymond of Peñafort to compile the Decretals, a code of canon law based both on conciliar decisions and on papal letters, which he promulgated in 1234. Pope Gregory IX died on August 22, 1241, in Rome, Italy. The cause of his death is unknown and not recorded in the Church's history.
Thank you all for listening and supporting. As always, please stay tuned for our next episode. Please like, share, and spread the word to everyone around you. For Christ and for our Church, God bless you.